In this video you will learn how to create a ping task using Croncat. Croncat is a great helper for near validators. Such a necessary and simple action as ping can be performed on the blockchain using Croncat. Set up a decentralized ping task to help compute the rewards of your delegators, and keep your node in the active set. This will create a task that stays alive for 1 year or until you stop it. Let's have a look at the benefits that Croncat offers. First, it is fault tolerant. Our agents scale to never go down. Second, it is decentralized, covering many hosting providers, so you never miss a ping. Third, it is cost efficient. Less what your active validator makes in one epoch. Now, let's have a quick look at server requirements. To start installing the MAINNET node, you need to install nearcore. You can find the complete process of installing and running a node on the official website. Check out these 2 links. You can find all the links mentioned in this tutorial in the description of the video. You can use the nearcore tools to install and run Testnet and GUILDNET nodes. The installation process is described on the official Near GitHub. You can also use Bootcamp, where you will find a complete guide to installing MAINNET, Testnet and GUILDNET nodes. The easiest way to create a ping task is via the web version. You only need to enter the pool name of your validator. After installing, configuring and running the node, you need to configure the ping. What is it for? In order to submit stake proposals to be an active validator. You can use the ping installation script that you find in this link. Now, let's install ping tool and run it. During the installation process, you will need to enter the name of the pool, and the name of the account, that is, the wallet. And choose how the ping will be launched, via Crontab, locally, or via Croncat, via blockchain. Let's see how to start ping manually. Ping can call by the command via nearcore. And this is how the ping task is installed in Croncat, on the Testnet network. Using the ping setup script, you can also install the Croncat agent to support decentralization and get rewards. You just need to agree with the ping tool suggestion during the installation process. For more tutorials like this, like the video and subscribe to the channel.